So what role do emotions play in our financial planning? I think they're everything, aren't they? They're the catalyst, they're the reason why. They drive us, whether it's the wedding of a loved one, the thrill of getting the keys to your first flat, planning that walking holiday when you retire, whatever it might be. Emotions drive people. What I think is the role of the planner is perhaps to be, in some part, the shield to those emotions, the head to the heart, and to make sure that we're planning not just for the sort of short term, but for the long term as well. So advisors are there, I think, in part to protect us from ourselves in controlling those emotions.
I think financial services is seen largely still as very, very transactional. You buy a pension, you open a bank account, you buy some life assurance. So I think we need to dig deeper with clients as what they're seeking to achieve. We lead with the hopes, the dreams, the ambitions, the milestones that the clients are looking for, and then we get to whatever product or product set might help there. For the very best financial planners, those are the steps that always happen first.
The role of a financial advisor has really changed over the last few years, and clients have become more aware of that. I think advisors are also becoming more comfortable about that. Financial advisor is the term that's used, but a lot of people are talking more about financial planning, and there's much more of a focus on longevity and well-being. In fact, we've just published a report that shows that advisors are saying that their clients have seen a much bigger value in terms of that relationship with the client and focusing on longevity, well-being. It's not just about the financial planning aspect.
One thing I'd observe is that even though you yourself may not have changed, we can sometimes forget how much the world around us is changing. Recently, someone came to us, they'd become interested in sustainable investing, had a conversation with their advisor and felt really underwhelmed by the answer there, and were actually thinking of moving to someone else who they felt would understand it more.
I think the onus is on the advisor to seek out the actual motivations of the client. What is the client actually looking or seeking to achieve, in what time scale and at what cost? From the advisor's point of view, they've got to be scrupulously fair, scrupulously honest with the client and tell them as it is. And I think from that grows this really, really deep, meaningful relationship where both sides are being totally honest with each other, totally open, and are discussing the things that matter, which in many ways is not the money. It's about what the money will facilitate further down the line.